Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to learn about the fingerprints. So what are the fingerprints? Fingerprints can be defined as the impressions that were found on the friction ridges of our fingers. Okay, they were also found on the sole, the feet, our palm. Fingerprints holds an important evidence in forensic sciences. The recovery of the partial fingerprints from the crime scene is very important in any type of the crime scene investigation. The fingerprints recovered from the surface were mainly due to the presence of the moisture and the greases on the fingerprints. Fingerprints are considered as a unique, because no two individuals in this earth can have a similar type of fingerprints, not even with respect to the identical twins. It is generally believed that the DNA, which is considered as the most unique evidence in forensic sciences, also the identical twins share the similar type of the DNA. But when it comes to the fingerprints are the unique. The fingerprints were widely used by the law enforcement agencies, the police, in case of to determine the identity of the person. Now we will talk about the biology of the fingerprints, how these fingerprints develop. The fingerprints are the impressions left on the surface by the friction ridges on the human skin. Friction ridges is the raised portion on the epidermis on our fingers, or we can say on all our toes, palm. These are generally found in the intrauterine life. Now comes about the classification of the fingerprints. These fingerprints were broadly classified into three major types: the arches, the loops, the whorls. The arches were further divided into the plain arches and the tented arches, whereas the loops were further divided into the radial loop and the ulnar loop, whereas the whorls were divided into the plain whorls, the concentric whorls, the H-shaped whorl, or we can also say the double loop whorl, the accidental whorls. So these are the different types of whorls. These fingerprints can also be able to lifted from the crime scene with the help of the different lifters. Depending upon their visuality, they were broadly classified into two types: the latent fingerprints and the patent fingerprints. Latent fingerprints means those fingerprints which requires the enhancement. Prior to the development, prior to the lifting, you need to enhance those fingerprints, so that it can be visualized. It can be enhanced with the help of the different types of the powders, different types of the chemical techniques, and after visualization, these prints can be lifted with the help of the different lifters, and after that they can be matched with the suspect or with the accused. This is very helpful in case of linking the crime and the criminal. Now we'll talk about the different ridge minutiae. The different examples of the ridge minutiae are the ridge ending, that is the abrupt ending of the ridge, the bifurcation in which the one ridge they start flowing and they bifurcate into two, the short or the independent ridge, that means those ridges which travels for a certain distance and after that they end, island or dot, that means a single piece, a single pore of the fingerprint. Next comes the lake or the enclosures, they were in the form